Hi, this is a video on how to change the battery on the T122F IAP sales kitchen thermometer. This is the model here, small little screwdriver, Phillips, basic tweezers, an example of how small the screw is. If you flip it over, you can see that there's 4 screws. That one's your sensor. After the screws are out, you can crack it open. Lay it down. I like putting it in a little angle there. Take the tweezers, just work on that little clip. Pops right out. And the battery is a CR2032 lithium button, 3 volt, and the Energizer or the Duracell models are there. Put it back in. You can see the little rim. Pop it in. Pops right out.